Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore PR pitching workflow with Cision, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cision account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Here, you will find an overview of your previous campaigns and media contacts. To restore your PR pitching workflow, click on the Media Database tab. Use the search bar to find relevant journalists or influencers in your niche. Filter your results based on location, beat, or publication type for better accuracy. Select the contacts that best fit your target audience. Now, click on Save Contact List to organize your selected journalists. Next, head over to the Pitch section. Create a new pitch by clicking on the New Pitch button. Write a compelling subject line that grabs attention. In the body of your pitch, ensure you are concise, yet informative. Make use of bullet points if necessary to highlight key information. Attach any relevant multimedia, such as images or videos, to enhance your pitch. Now, select the contact list you previously saved. Review your pitch to confirm all details are accurate. Once satisfied, click the Send button to deliver your pitch. After sending, track your pitch's performance by going to the Analytics section. Use metrics like open rates and responses to gauge effectiveness. If necessary, adjust your pitch strategy based on the analytics gathered. Continuously update your media database to keep your contacts fresh. Regularly review and refine your pitching strategy as needed. This will help maintain an effective PR process using Cision. By following these steps, you can successfully restore your PR pitching workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.